Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at ever, never, all or nothing. Ever. The basic meaning of ever is in your life. This word is often used to ask about life experiences. Have you ever been to Europe? This question asks about your life from birth until now. Have you ever questions are the most common use of ever. Life Q&A. If someone asks you, "Have you ever tried skiing?" They want to know if you have ever tried skiing at any time in your life. This means from your birth until now. For a positive answer, yes, I have. For a negative answer, no, I haven't. Repeat after me. Have you ever tried skiing? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Future experience. Your life also extends into the future. In this case, ever means from now until you die. If you know someone has no experience at something, you could ask, will you ever blah, blah, blah? However, since the future is unknown, we should imagine it. It is better to ask, would you ever blah, blah, blah? Will you is for a real future, something that is planned, something that you know 100% will happen. Would is used for unknown futures when you have to imagine the future. Would you ever blah, blah, blah is better. Life Q&A. If someone asks you, would you ever swim with sharks? They want you to imagine your future. This means from now until you die. For a positive answer, yes, I would. For a negative answer, no, I wouldn't. Repeat after me. Would you ever swim with sharks? Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Never. The basic meaning of never is not in your life. This is a strong way to express having no life experience. Have you ever seen a musical? No, I've never seen a musical. No, never. Repeat after me. Have you ever seen a musical? No, I've never seen a musical. No, never. Never. The word never can also be used for the future. This is a strong way to express having no chance or interest. Will you ever see a musical? No, I will never see a musical. No, never. In this case, when you think about your future, you have no interest in seeing a musical, or you believe you will have no chance to see a musical. So you can express this very strongly by using the word never. Repeat after me. Will you ever see a musical? No, I will never see a musical. No, never. Q&A chain. Here is an example of a Q&A chain, starting with a negative response. Repeat after me. Have you ever climbed Mount Fuji? No, never.
Would you ever climb Mount Fuji?
In this case, we ask about life experience first. If it's a negative response, then we can ask our partner to imagine future experience. Begin with have you ever? If the answer is negative, you can follow up with would you ever? Now let's repeat some responses. Repeat after me.
Yes, I might.
No,
Probably not.
this is a soft negative.
No, never.
This is a strong negative. So our Q&A chain, have you ever climbed Mount Fuji? No, never. Would you ever climb Mount Fuji? Yes, I might. Or, have you ever climbed Mount Fuji? No, never. Would you ever climb Mount Fuji? No, probably not. Ever in the past. We can also use ever to talk about past time periods. In this case, we start at a past point in time and continue until now. For example, on Friday, Bob lost his glasses. Today, Jim asks, did you ever find your glasses? This means between Friday and today, now. This is not in your life, but this is another way we can use ever. As long as the time period touches now, we can use ever to ask about experiences during that time period. In this case, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, continue until today. Where I live, today is Wednesday, so this means from Friday until today, Wednesday. Did you find your glasses? And I know Bob lost his glasses, and I want to check what happened in this time period. Did he have the experience of finding his glasses? So this is another way to use ever. In this situation, the answers will be in the past.
Did you ever find your glasses?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, not yet. This is more optimistic. You are still looking for your glasses. You have not given up. You hope you can find them. Repeat after me.
Did you ever find your glasses?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, not yet. It is not common to use never here, but you can if you like. We don't need to have a stronger way, but if you like it, you can use never. Ever to show anger. In some situations, using ever in a question might show anger or frustration. This is usually in questions using will. The nuance is that you have been waiting for someone to do something, but they do not do it. Repeat after me.
Will you ever clean your room? Will you ever apologize to Bob?
The word ever has a lot of emphasis. In the first question, I asked you to clean your room. You didn't do it. I'm waiting for you to clean your room, but your room is not clean. Now I'm becoming angry. So I ask you, repeat after me,
Will you ever clean your room?
in the second case, you hurt Bob, and I want you to apologize to Bob. I want you to make Bob feel better. But you didn't do it, and I'm waiting. Now I'm becoming angry myself. Repeat after me.
Will you ever apologize to Bob?
Ever to show doubt. Avoid using ever in WH questions. This means you have doubt about what someone said. For example, I went to Guam.
When did you ever go to Guam?
This sounds like I don't believe you. I'm a great cook.
What have you ever cooked?
In this case, I also don't believe you. Repeat after me. I went to Guam.
When did you ever go to Guam?
I am a great cook.
What have you ever cooked?
If you feel doubt, it's okay to use ever in WH questions. But if you don't have any doubt, avoid using ever in WH questions. Repeat and answer. Repeat the questions and make your own answer. You can see my answer as an example. So repeat after me. Have you ever been to Australia? And here's my answer. You don't have to repeat it. No, I haven't, but I want to. Now, please make your own answer. Have you ever been to Australia? Here's the next question. Repeat after me. Would you ever try learning a new language? Now here's my answer. You don't have to repeat it. Yes, I would. I would like to learn sign language. Now make your answer. Would you ever try learning a new language? Here's one more. Repeat after me. Did you ever find something that you lost? Here's my answer. Yes, I did. I found a missing sock yesterday. Now, how about you? Did you ever find something that you lost? If you like, please watch this video again. Understand the situations when you can use ever and the special feeling it has in some kinds of questions. And also, take a look at never. Make sure you use it in the right situation too. Thank you for watching.